Hey you all, so today we are going to talk about longitude. Longitudes are geographic coordinates that specify east-west direction. Before jumping into longitude, we'll talk about prime meridian. Prime meridian, line of longitude that is defined as 0 degree, runs through Greenwich, England, reference line from which all the longitudes are measured. How? Let's see it. This is prime meridian 0 degree longitude. Okay, we all know this that Earth is divided into 360-degree longitudes. Okay, eastward from this prime meridian is 180 degree. Westward from this point also 180 degree. So the whole combining whole will become 360 degree. These are the countries from where the prime meridian passes. Here is United Kingdom, France, Spain, Algeria, Burkina Faso, Togo, Mali, Ghana. These are the countries. Okay. From this reference point, prime meridian point, if you move eastward from this point, there will be increasing in the time. Okay. If we move westward from this prime meridian, there will be decreasing of time. Okay. Remember one thing, that after every 15 degree longitude, there will be 1 hour difference. 1 hour difference. Suppose this is after known at prime meridian. If we move eastward from this point 15 degree east longitude, we will notice there is 1 hour increasing in the time. Okay. And if we move further, we'll see that at 30 degree longitude east, there will be 2 hours difference between prime meridian and 30 degree longitude. What we have known here, that after every 15 degree longitudes, there will be 1 hour time difference. Okay. If we move westward from prime meridian, there will be decreasing in the time. Okay. Suppose if 12 known is here at a prime meridian, 15 degree west latitude, there will be 1 hour lesser than this time. If here is 12 p.m., here will be 11 a.m. 1 hour will be lesser than this. And if you move 30 degree, then the time difference will be up 2 hours. Okay. So what we have known here, that if you move eastward from this prime meridian, the time will increase. If you move westward from this point, the time will decrease. Okay. We have noticed that the longitudes are wider at center and they are getting narrower and narrower as they move toward the poles. Here they are very concise and congested. Okay. So let us see the theory part also. Longitude, geographic coordinates that specify east-west direction. Okay, got it. Prime meridian, line of longitude that is defined as 0 degree. The centermost point runs through Greenwich, England. There are many more countries as well. Reference line from which all the longitudes are measured. This is the reference line. Remember, prime meridian is the reference line from which all the longitudes are measured. Earth is divided into 360 degree of longitudes. We have read about this. 180 degree eastward from this prime meridian and 180 degree west from this prime meridian. Okay. Longitudes usually measured in degrees, minutes and seconds. Remember that R is not mentioned here. R is not mentioned here. Okay. Earth is divided into 24 time zones based on the longitudes. Okay. Based on this longitude only, the Earth is divided into 24 time zones. Okay. Or each time zone roughly 15 degree wide. I have told you earlier as well that after every 15 degree there will be 1 hour time difference between the two longitudes. Okay. Points. Countries lying east of prime meridian will be ahead of time. I have told you earlier as well. Countries lying westward from this prime meridian will be behind the time zone of prime meridian. Okay. As we move away from prime meridian, if we move eastward from the prime meridian, the time keeps on increasing. The time keeps on increasing. And as we move westward from the point, prime meridian, the time will keep on decreasing. Okay. All the longitudes line meet at poles. I have told you earlier as well. They are all meeting at poles. Distance between two longitudes is more at equator and less at poles. Yeah. Okay. Why longitudes? You might have raised this question because to pinpoint east-west position of any location of Earth. Okay. If we have to, locate some place, we have to locate it based on some reference point. So the reference point is longitude. We are accurate navigation mapping. We also know that navigation is one of the most important thing to do in today's world. So yeah. So this was all about today. So thank you so much.